Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I share with you a cucumber salad with sour cream and dill. Now for that we will prepare our cucumber. We slightly peel them, cut them, salt them, and then when they're salted we let them rest in the fridge for around 20 minutes to half an hour. Okay, so very easy. Okay, I give them sort of just a little bit of peel, not completely. Okay, so we got that, and then maybe we cut them in half. And now I like to take the seeds out from here. There's obviously different versions, you know, so you can take a spoon and just scrape it out like that. You see slow motion, you see that? So yeah, so that's predominantly the main area where the cucumber keeps the water content. Yeah, I do one more, this other half as well. That, like that. Okay, and now you cut a cucumber sort of in, you see the thickness of this one? Yeah, I cut a few more. You don't want to have it too thick. Yeah. Okay. Put this too. Okay. And now we just scraped it in a bowl, which we have here. Easy done. Have a look at here. And now we give it a good sort of 2 pinch of salt. Mix this one very well. And then we leave it on the side, as I said, for half an hour, even to an hour. And we will continue. And you will see how much water comes then out of this cucumber. Alright, so let's put them in the fridge for half an hour and we continue then. Okay, here I just took out the cucumbers. They were now in the refrigerator for a good half an hour, 45 minutes. You can see already lots of liquid that came out here. Yeah, but what I do is now I take the cucumbers in my hand and squeeze them out a little bit. Yeah, so you can see drop by drop, and then we put it in here. So again, we just give them a really good press, you know, so the water comes out. We do this very quickly. I mean, if you're not doing this one, then obviously it will be a little bit watery. I mean, nothing wrong with this one either. But as I said, that's my version of it, so I show you how I do it. Easy. Now when you have a quick look at all this liquid here. Wow. You know, you can drink it if you want, you know, no problem. Okay, I wash my hand, just one sec. Okay, now in our cucumber salad, obviously, as I said, will go sour cream, and we do a good 3 soup spoon. We're adding a little bit cracked pepper, not too much. A half a teaspoon of sugar, and then few mils of, or I should say probably 2 soup spoons full of white vinegar. I put a little bit of a onion in there as well. Not too much onion, so that will do. And now most importantly, obviously, is our dill, right? So, and with the dill, please don't be too shy, yeah? I prefer to leave the big stalks obviously away. Yeah, so if you pull a whole stem out, yeah, we pick a little bit. We pick sort of here this one off. This one, so that's fine. One more time. Look at that. Zack, zack, zack. And now this one here, again, crumble it nicely together, and you can chop it or slice it. Like I do. Just one quick trick or hint, if the camera focuses on my knife for a moment, a lot of people, when they do sort of motions like that, they take the blade and scrape it on the board. I just like this. But then if you do this too many times, your knife gets bland. So I recommend when you scrape it, turn your knife upside down and scrape it like that, and nothing will do to the beautiful blade. Okay, we do like this, tack, 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 and then we turn quickly, tack, 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 tack. Here we go. Learn something again. Okay, that will do. We put it all nicely in here. Beautiful. And now, of course, we have to give it a good mixture. Again, so this is our cucumber salad with sour rum and dill. I add a little bit salt, cracked pepper, a touch of sugar, and white vinegar. And we can serve this with meat patties. You know, you can serve it as a side salad. What I'm doing right now here, yeah, it's beautiful, nicely done. Look at that. So like this, yeah, and then what better than just garnish it with a little bit of a beautiful dill, and voila, that is our cucumber, sour cream and dill salad. Thank you very much for joining me today on ChopChopChef. Thank you.